It's now time for Honk the car, Toot the boat, and Swo-Swoosh the helicopter in another of their happy adventures. It's a lovely day in Springland. Morning, Honk the car. There's Swo-Swoosh the helicopter. Swo-Swoosh is in a big hurry.
Hurry, Honk, we have a job to do,
calls Swo-Swoosh. Swo-Swoosh told Honk that Mr. and Mrs. Porky are going to town, and Honk and Swo-Swoosh have to look after the little piggies. Mrs. Porky told the piglets that Honk and Swo-Swoosh would look after them.
They all promised to be very good and not to get dirty,
Mrs. Porky tells Honk.
Just make sure none of them get lost,
says Mr. Porky. Hey, come back here, calls Honk. Honk and Swo-Swoosh knew that looking after these piggies wasn't going to be easy.
Stop! Come back here!
Shouts Swo-Swoosh. Oh dear, how are Honk and Swo-Swoosh going to look after these piggies if they don't stay together?
I've lost two,
calls Swo-Swoosh. Mine have also gone, complains Honk. There's Toot the boat. Toot the boat always knew best. Toot told Honk and Swo-Swoosh that the only way to keep all the piglets together is to keep them busy.
If you play a game, the piglets won't run away,
says Toot. Honk knew just what to do. Who wants to play a special game? Calls Honk.
Please, can we play?
Call the piggies. Honk's plan was working. The game would keep all the piggies together. Honk explained to the piggies how to play the game. The piggy with the blindfold must find another piggy without looking. What a fun game to play. Honk and Swo-Swoosh kept the little piggies busy for the whole day, and none of them tried to run away or got lost. Here come Mr. and Mrs. Porky. Oh dear, some of the piggies are still covered in mud. Mr. and Mrs. Porky were very happy. Their little piggies were all together and nice and clean. Well done, Honk and Swo-Swoosh. Have fun, everybody.